Need a garage door opener, or service? Always look for the red ribbon. When you find the red ribbon, you find the best. Overhead Door Company of Central Jersey. For more than 40 years, offering more selection, higher quality, and better service. Don't be fooled by imitation. Other garage door companies may call themselves Overhead Door, but remember to look for the red ribbon and get the genuine, the original Overhead Door of Central Jersey. Route 202 Branchburg. OverheadDoorCo.com. That's OverheadDoorCo.com.